Hello students, welcome to the course on Epigenetics. I am Dr. Arumugam Rajavelu, an associate professor from the Department of Biotechnology, IIT Madras, Chennai. This is a course we structured such a way it will be highly useful or beneficial to the UG final year students, master students, PhD students. You all know about genetics, you heard about it, but epigenetics, which I'm going to tell you, the whole classes you will learn it up. But before I want to show the actual epigenetic concept, I want to just show you the two important analogy which will connect the understanding much better way. The analogy one, there is a two picture, right? The right side light on and left light off. Rooms are same, but the difference is the signal is on and off. Everything similar in the room, only the light is on and off. Similarly, in our multicellular organisms, particularly in mammals and human, in each and every cell we have a same genetic information, same DNA, but the DNA activity or gene expression not same in each and every cell. So that means a common structure of genetic informations, but the variable gene activity. There is another nice analogy which you'll understand. This is the keyboard or even a piano, the similar structure. We have the set of keys. Each key has a unique sound, but with the combination of key, which brings the beautiful musical output. So similarly, we have a genetic informations each and every cells. The combination of the activity, a gene activity, would bring a different cell types and tissues and so on, or various functions. Now, coming to the epigenetics, as I said, genetics you all heard about it, but epigenetics, it's something new emerging biology domain. Epi means above and top, over on the genetic material informations, which brings the inheritance or genetic effect on the gene activity. In multicellular organisms like us, we have various organs, for example, blood, tissue, liver, muscle, and so on. But what is common in all the organ? We have the same genetic material. So the DNA information same, the chromosome same, arrangement same. But what brings a different tissue and organ? Although you have a same genetic makeup, but you have differential organ development, differential tissue development. The question comes here, who actually mediates? Who brings the differential? Although same genetic informations, now we can connect the analogy 1 and 2 what I said. You have same information or genetic informations, but you have different gene activity. This is how you can imagine with your DNA in each and every organs, and the DNA sequence is similar. But on top of the genetic material or genetic informations, the epigenetic players, the modification on the genetic material, which brings tight regulations, differential gene activity. So these can be tightly regulated in response to the various environmental stimuli. Let's look at what are the epigenetic or players or environmental players which can influence the differential epigenetic modifications which results in the gene activity. The psychological effect, I would consider this is one of the important significant epifactors which can influence the neural development and so on. The food is a very important epifactors. Food is known in the recent research which strongly influences the host epigenome. Medication and drug and the host microbiome. The recent studies highlighted how the host microbiome can influence the host epigenome of the cells. Infectious diseases, the microorganism where it infects the particular tissue or cells, which can even modify the epigenome of the target or host cells. And exposure to the toxic or radioactive material also can bring epigenome changes in the host cell. Finally, the exercise, the physical exercise also can bring the epigenetic changes. So these are the all these scientifically proven various epifactors could influence the epigenetic players which impact the gene activity. See, the overall, this is a beautiful fundamental biology course structured such a way you will understand the basic concept of epigenetics and the epigenetic players deregulation of the epigenetic plays in various chronic diseases including cancer, neuro, cardio, and so on. And also we will discuss about in the courses epigenome methods and project and so on. I hope you will enjoy. I'm looking forward all you in the classes. See you.